Hey guys, how's it going? It's Manny with Htx Tv coming at you with a brand new segment today. We're going to go over the stock market information, updates, plus also the regular everyday Bitcoin and cryptocurrency news. So it's going to be an awesome, fun-packed episode.
Ay, señora, cuidado. Señora, cuidado. Venga. Señora.
Yep, there's some huge news going on. It actually happened, I believe, yesterday. Exactly what that clip said. Airbnb is going to be traded the next few days, and actually DoorDash just took over, just started to be traded as well as with an IPO. So that's some huge information. So definitely, I would definitely check those out on your apps. You know, throw a little money into it. For any of you who have ever used any of those services or not, they're blowing up regardless. I would definitely check it out. All right, so now the Dow Jones is at a negative 0.23% decrease in the red. NASDAQ is actually plus 0.54% in the green, going good. S&P 500 is at a negative 0.13% in the red, not too shabby. To our popular stocks, Apple Incorporated right now is at a 1.2% increase in the green. They're on the up and up. Citigroup Incorporated is at a 2.61% increase in the green as well. General Electric is at a negative 0.66%, slightly decrease, but it's less than 1%, so it's not that bad. And a couple last more popular stocks for the day. Alphabet Incorporated is at a negative 3.39% decrease in the red. And last but not least, Microsoft Corporation is a slight decrease at a negative 0.48% decrease in the red, but still not that bad. It's under 1%. So on to commodities. All right. So oil right now is traded at $46 a barrel. That's actually a plus 0.28% increase in the green. Gas right now is at $2.56 a gallon. That's a plus 0.43% increase in the green. Gold is traded at $1,839, and that's at a plus 0.1% increase in the green. Silver is at a plus 0.17% in the green. That's pretty good as well.
If you want to live like a millionaire, then you're going to need a great credit score. When you turn 18, get yourself a credit card, but only use 10 to 30% of your allowance. Pay it back in full at the end of each and every month and avoid closing old credit cards. If you're not 18 yet, you can become an authorized user on your parents' card.
Corn is with that 0.24% increase in the green. They're doing awesome. Now on to our gainers and losers for the day. A couple gainers. Excuse me. Occidental Petroleum is our top gainer with 9.9% increase in the green. And our other top gainer for the day is actually Twitter Incorporated. They gained at 8.4% increase in the green. And now on to our losers for the day. CenturyLink Incorporated is at a negative 4% decrease in the red. And also our other loser for the day is Ford Motor Corporation. Excuse me. Ford Motor Corporation, a negative 3.4% decrease in the red. Not too bad. It's a little under 5%, but yet it is a decrease. So, but like they say, whatever goes down could go back up. Who knows? So those are our stocks for the day. And now on to currencies. Euro is at $1.21 compared to the US dollar. British pound is at $1.34 to the US dollar, and the Canadian dollar is at 78 cents to the US dollar. Now on to our cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is priced at $18,378. It's been at a little over 18 grand the last couple of days, so it seems like it's holding its own. Ethereum is priced at $564, and that's at a negative 2% decrease in the red. Litecoin is at $75, and that's a negative 3% decrease in the red as well. Ripple is at 58 cents, and it's at a negative 1% decrease in the red. Bitcoin Cash is at $268, and that's a negative 0.8% decrease. And last but not least, EOS is at $2.75, priced and decreased at 2% in the red. Which leads me to our next finance tip video. Check it out. Right. Alrighty. Now let's get back to it. Let's check out what they're talking about. Bitcoin's future. It says, bulls abandoned ship as a $93 million Bitcoin options imbalance favors Bitcoin bears. $540 million in Bitcoin options open interest will expire on Friday, and a $93 million imbalance shows bears are taking control. On December 11th, a total of $540 million in Bitcoin options open interest is set to expire. This number mimics the past 525 million options expiry, as month and quarterly options typically concentrate on the most volume. Although most dates present somewhat unusual activity, this time around bears seem in control. Data also shows that Bitcoin...
So I have an extra $300 a month to either pay down my mortgage or invest in the stock market. What do you think I should do? What's the interest rate and how long is the loan for? It's 4% APR for 30 years. Well, if you decide to pay down your debt faster, you go from 361 months to 259, saving you around $67,439 in interest, and you're left with a $300,000 home. The fuck? Option B would allow you to invest that $300 each month into the S&P 500, which historically has returned around 8%. That leaves you with around $208,000 after 259 months. Now you have $123,000 left to pay on your mortgage, and you have a $385,000 net worth. I don't know what to say. You say option B. You pick the $385,000. It's higher than $300,000. It's just pure math. So this is why you don't have a girlfriend, huh? That's part of it, yes.
And that can happen at times. You know, actually, they got to almost hit 20 grand pretty quick within the last 2 or 3 weeks. But exactly, sometimes you can get a little too optimistic. It's went a little bit back down. It's holding at a little over 18 grand. Here it says, bears were hurt as Bitcoin surpassed 16,000. Traders tend to have a short memory, but Bitcoin was trading below 16,000 less than 4 weeks ago. So it is kind of looking like it kind of hit a wall, and it kind of is going back a little bit down. But I wouldn't jump ship too fast, because it says traders tend to have a short memory, and yeah, I was trading, less than 16,000 recently. That has led to 120 million put options open interest between 15 to 17,000, and here it says they have a little chart. It says, notice how the above charts are holding a considerable open interest in a range that no longer makes sense after the most recent Bitcoin price appreciation. Some of these options previously traded for 365 apiece, such as the 16,500 put on November 28. They are currently worth less than $25 each and will lose all their value as approach Friday's expiry. Still, this does not mean that the bulls got the better end of the deal. So, no big deal. Doesn't mean you try to sell everything off. I'll definitely wait at least a couple more weeks or a couple more months and see what's going to happen. So, but all right, that's all I got for you guys today. We're going to end on a little video, and Money Manny with Htx Tv. That's all I got for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Chat with you guys later. Y'all have a good one.